All right, so we got our little tortellini pastas here, filled with Italian sausage, but we're gonna level it up. We're gonna get some spicy Sicilian Italian meatballs. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and cut them in half. We're gonna make this beautiful tortellini casserole here, guys. And I'm just gonna take my knife in there, just cut them right down the half, right down the middle. All right, oven's ready. To get crazy, you can put a cutting board down and cut cut these meatballs through it, but I'm looking not to have to do a mess of dishes in there. So we're just cutting through the meatballs in this little styrofoam pack here. All right. All done. Got our meatballs all done. Let's get our meatballs in. Be a nice meaty casserole here, guys. Come on. There we go. All right, get those kind of flayed out over the top. Love it. We want a spicy meatball in every bite. I think you know what I'm saying. Now we're gonna go in with a little minced garlic. Look, it doesn't matter who minces it, all right? If it comes out of a jar that's minced already, I know there's a lot of hate in the comments, but guys, the garlic is for real, and it works fine for especially something like quick and easy like this, right? Add a little bit of olive oil over the top. I did not grease this pan or this dish, whatever you want to call it. So just kind of take initiative and put it in there right now. I think we'll be good to go. Okay, so about a tablespoon's worth. Now, keeping with the spiciness, we're gonna go with the arrabbiata sauce, spicy marinara. All right, we're using Rails, my favorite brand of pasta sauce. Hear that pop? There we go. We're just gonna pour it over the top. And this pasta sauce is actually gonna cook that pasta. So you guys know these tortellinis are, quote unquote fresh, right? Right. So this pasta sauce will actually cook it up. It's not like you're cooking dried up pasta. Stuff's more or less fresh, so it cooks with the pasta sauce. The meatballs are gonna release their juices in there too, right? So we're getting plenty of moisture in there to cook those pasta bits, those tortellinis, right? You get that smushed down, get some sauce everywhere. A little bit of grated Parmesan. Just adding all the good Italian flavors. You guys are gonna love this little casserole. And it's so easy, but it's gonna be so dang tasty. Now we got an Italian style 6 cheese blend. We're keeping up with all the Italianness. We're gonna cover it up with cheese, cover the whole top of it. And I like this finely shredded cheese because it melts a lot easier and it'll melt up nice because it's that fine cheese. Not that unrefined cheese, that fine cheese. Got some foil here. I'm gonna get this covered up. I'm gonna get this covered up in the foil for most of the cook. The last 10 minutes or so, we'll take it off and brown up that cheese. All right, we're gonna get this bad boy in the oven, 350. Gonna go about 45 minutes. So the first 30 minutes, we'll leave it covered in the foil. The other 15 minutes or so, we'll take it out and get that cheese nice and golden brown and delicious. All right, hope you're with me so far. Let's go get this in the oven, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, we're a half hour in. Time to get this foil off and let the top brown off. Carefully. All right, so we got some nice melty cheese. Tops are, I'm sure the pasta's already cooked through. Now we just let that cheese finish melting, brown up over the top, and we'll be good to go. All right, we're fresh out of the oven. We may have let it go just a hair too long. That's okay though, it's still gonna taste good. Got busy doing other things. It is what it is, baby. Let's go. We're ready to chop into this. Listen, at 45 minutes, this would have been perfect timing. an hour, you got some nice crispity, crunchy cheese on top there. Can't even freaking cut it. Whew. Listen, they all can't be perfect, but this is some great flavors. You're gonna love it. Get a nice little spoonful there. All right. Got on a plate. I don't know what to tell you about the cheese. I just straight up forgot about it. But the top, I like the crispy cheese. It's kind of like when you get it on the side of a pan or, you know, on the edge. It's just that way all the way through. So, again, 45 minutes, just the right amount of time. 1 hour, not the right amount of time. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and take a bite. That was a big ass bite. We got plenty of spiciness in there. The Italian meatballs were spicy. The arrabbiata sauce is spicy, but it's not overwhelming. It's just enough in a little heat in there to let you know you're alive. But guys, this is great. Make this, you're gonna love it. And baby, you know it's good.